Welcome to CodeBox. Thank you for tuning in, and in this tutorial, we will touch on how to post an array from HTML to PHP. If you want to follow along, the code download is on the CodeBox website. Link in the description box below. Let us now start with a quick recap by creating a basic HTML form first. Specify the method, and the target server-side script that will process the form submission. Sandwich all the necessary fields in between. Then, to identify which field is which, we attach a unique name. Finally, add a submit button to the form. With that, we can now access the submitted form data in the post PHP super global variable. But now onto the million-dollar question, how to send an array of data. For that, we simply need to modify the HTML form a little bit. Set the same name for the fields that you wish to send as an array. Then, append a pair of square brackets behind. Yes, it's that simple. PHP will automatically parse the submitted values into an array. Let us now take this one step further, and work with multi-dimensional arrays. Similar to how we deal with nested arrays in PHP, we simply define multiple pairs of square brackets. Then using the same format, we define the same key for the first index. Again, PHP will automatically parse these into a multi-dimensional array. That's it. And that's all for this so-called difficult array submission. Moving on, this is for you guys who are looking to submit the form using AJAX instead. First, we start by creating a new form data object. Then, use the append function to add data to be submitted. This should be straightforward, just the usual key and value pairs. For the array fields, we use the same old format. Define the same key, add square brackets behind. For the nested arrays, it's the same again. Use multiple square brackets. Same name, same key. Lastly, create the XML HTTP request object. Set the method, and target server script. Define what to do on server response. Finally, send the AJAX request out along with the data. And that's it. This should pretty much cover all the basics. But please take note, the square bracket format may not apply to other programming languages. For example, it may be unnecessary to add square brackets. Just define multiple fields with the same name. Or alternatively, the server-side script may require a JSON encoded string instead. The key point is, it is all up to how the server side deals with arrays. There is not a single fixed standard format universally. With that, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching. Thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell if you want to learn more. See you in the next one.